A stunning perfume flyer should make people feel the luxury and elegance of the fragrance before they even smell it. Open Canva and click on Create a Design. In the search bar, type flyer and choose a stylish template with a premium and sophisticated look. Perfume advertisements usually work best with elegant fonts, clean layouts, and high-quality imagery. Once the template opens, upload your perfume bottle image by clicking on Uploads. Drag the image into the design and place it in a prominent position. If possible, use a professional product photo with a clean background to create a luxury appearance. Next, click on the main headline and enter the name